won him the game, Glenn Phillips. And even O'Rourke just stands and smiles at that. That is an unbelievable grab. New Zealand are setting standards early in this tournament.
Oh, not this time. Not this time. You said the world's best. That is why. Glenn Phillips again. Was it better than a one in game one or not? I don't know. Oh, he's hit that hard. The crowd is stunned. That's in the air. And what a catch. And that's what was needed. Just out of thin air. It's that flying man again, Glenn Phillips. Ever you needed something straight away after a break, you wanted this. This is magnificent.
This is incredible again. Oh, look at that. There's a lesson in it.